Wilson is harvesting the root crop. Wilson, look at here.
From office to root crop.
Okay, so gawa tamong masa. Ang ingredients: sugar, arrowroot, coconut milk, and egg yolk. Let's start. First, remove the separate egg yolk and egg white. Okay, so we need to separate egg yolk to the egg white. This is how inang do it. You can, okay, this is the last egg to separate the egg white and egg yolk. This is egg white. This is egg yolk. Yeah? This is how inang make masa every December.
You girls better learn how to cook if you want a good man.
And then measure sugar. I'll put.
When you girls get older, if you know how to cook, you can meet a nice guy. If you don't know how to cook, you're gonna meet a guy who eats at McDonald's.
Okay, 4 hours later. Now we can put our araro flour, and this is half cup. Let's measure.
Like this.
And continue masa for many more hours. Ay, kapag ang gagawa ng masa.
Bakit?
After mong mayaring magmasa, make them round like this. And then wait a few minutes. I don't know. Makunting gagawa nang dati. Bayo no imasa. So, Yung metong makanini, almost finished, but I left some para may potong manulmata mo. And dini ako na dinenan coconut milk kasi mabasa naman. Ayan naman dry. So perfect. We'll see nang makananlan sa poto. Okay, so ready na lang yul mo ding masa tamo. May kasali kung panol mo. Alaki retangan tikang inang. So, ilan din gamitan tamo. Yan ay ako manakit palo-palo. So, ini na mo yung gamitan tamo. Buti na mo atin yung manang. And then,
hi, Mommy is making cookie
masa.
masa. And I love her masa. And I like it so much.
Yes, it's like a ball. So, we're gonna flat it.
Out.
Yeah, flat it out. Inang have the palu-palo, but I don't have palu-palo. Kulang yata masa.
What is palo palo?
Asinang, she will tell you. Okay, and then pulma like that. And put it there. Oops.
I wish I can do that.
When you're grown up,
Oh man,
maybe next year.
that's for Omi.
Then put together again. Hala, yung video itas mong konti yan. Mommy's doing. You are vlogging.
Mommy's making masa, and she is rolling it up, and she's putting a white sugar and
Arena.
arena. And next is the star, and I like the masa, and she make it here, and Inang make masa too. When I was a little girl, Inang make me masa
In
in
Philippines.
Philippines,
Then,
and I love it. And mommy mommy was cooking masa too.
okay. And I put this wax paper. Ilipat talakin para ready to bake nala. This is for Hannah, this is for Hazel.
What? Oh
Okay.
I want to eat this.
When it's cooked, are you excited? Okay. Then set aside maybe an hour or two before you bake it. Let's check them out. It start to smell like masa, a bakery. I set the temperature 375 for 60 minutes and the final product, they smell like newly baked masa, and they are still hot and fragile. Let's wait until they're cold. I wonder if they taste like masa. Okay now.